India is building like never before. But wait, what is fueling this action? क्यों government, private sector, startups पैसा डाल रहे हैं big projects में? The answer lies in just one word, that is capex, which is capital expenditure. So in this video, let's break down India's capex boom, where we have come from and where we are headed. So stay tuned and watch till the end. हम start करते हैं with capital expenditure और capex. इसका मतलब है कि जो पैसा कंपनी या गवर्नमेंट डालती है to upgrade any physical assets like buildings, factories, roads और machines. इसको ऐसे समझो that investing in growth, not just running daily operations, is what capex is. India had a massive capex cycle before the 2008 global crisis, but उसके बाद क्या? Things slowed down. Companies were dealing with bad loans, weak demand, and global uncertainty. The 2010s saw muted private investments and government projects also slowed down. But अगर हम आज का टाइम देखें, so we are actually entering into what experts are calling it to be capex cycle 2.0. Why now? Now let's decode it. India का current capex मेनली तीन प्लेयर्स ड्राइव कर रहे हैं विच आर योर गवर्नमेंट स्पेंडिंग, प्राइवेट सेक्टर कम बैक एंड न्यू एज केपेक्स. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद गवर्नमेंट स्पेंडिंग. गवर्नमेंट पैसा डाल रही है इनटू मैसिव इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट्स लाइक रोड्स, रेलवेज, डिफेंस एंड पावर. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, जो हमारा बजट एलोकेशन है दैट हैज आल्सो जंप्ड 3 times ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स. प्राइवेट सेक्टर की जैसे हमने बात करी 2010 के बाद ऐसा टाइम आया कि जब प्राइवेट सेक्टर डील कर रहा था विद बैड लोन्स या फिर वेरी constrained balance sheet, but now private sector has come back and companies are very profitable and they are ready to invest again. Capacity utilization is up, meaning factories are running at a very full capacity, which is also a key sign to expand. Now let's look at new age capex, meaning कि अब जो capital expenditure है that is not just going into physical assets but also at the same time into green energy, semiconductors, data centers and electrical vehicles. So which says that the future is here and India wants a slice in it. अब अगर हम देखते हैं कि जो capex है वो majorly कौन से sectors में जा रही है, तो we will see and we will break it down into 5 major sectors. First is your power and renewable energy, which has seen a big boost in solar, wind and grid update. Second is your railways and roads, which has one of the highest ever budget allocation. Defense में भी काफी investment हुई है because of the government's push under the name of Atmanirbhar, which means that ज़्यादा focus हो रहा है on more local manufacturing. So at the same time manufacturing sector को भी काफी boost मिला है with the coming of your production linked incentive scheme, जिसकी वजह से काफी ज़्यादा support मिल रहा है from the government for the manufacturing sector to grow at a very fast. The last one is your digital infra, where the data centers and semiconductor labs have been set up to record and to physically store all the data within the boundary of India. But it is not just कि सब चीजें बहुत ज़्यादा smoothly हो रही हैं. There are certain risks also which we have to see. So global interest rates are at a high price right now. Commodity prices are fluctuating. Election uncertainties are also there, which can actually affect how the capex cycle will play out. इस सब से हमें क्या फायदा होगा, हमें ये चीज देखनी है. So more capex means that there's going to be more jobs, better infrastructure and strong economic growth. And what about for investors? This could be a golden decade for India's industrial and infrastructure sectors. So to wrap it up, whether you are a student, an investor or just curious to understand the capex cycle, this video is for you. If you like this video, hit that like button. You can subscribe to our channel and share the video. Thank you.